place the printer upright and move the X-axis to the top. Move the heat bed forward to the end, then remove the Y-top cover. Disconnect the camera cable, X motor cable, and Z motor cable. Loosen one screw, slide the cable box to disconnect the USB cable. Open the little cable cover on the cable box and remove the Z motor cable. Move the heat bed forward and remove 10 screws. Move the heat bed backward and remove 2 screws. Lift one side of the bottom base first and remove the bottom base assembly.
Avoid the screen and place the bottom base assembly on the table with the heatbed unit face down.
Please pay attention to protect the touch screen when laying the bottom base.
Unscrew the 6 screws and remove the rear bottom cover. Unscrew the 10 screws and remove the front bottom cover. Disconnect the heatbed power cable and signal cable from the AC board. Unscrew one ground screw and loosen the ground cable. Pull out the rubber plug and remove the heatbed cables. Turn the bottom base over so the heatbed unit is facing up. Remove the rubber plugs and the screws. And then take off the heatbed unit from the bracket. Place the heatbed unit on the bracket and align the screw holes. Lock in the 4 screws and replace the 4 rubber plugs. Pass the heatbed cables through the bottom base and install the rubber plug in place. Connect the heatbed signal cable and the power cable.
Connect the cables to the correct sockets according to the color black and white cable, as shown in the video, and install the protective rubber sleeves back to place. Please arrange the cables and avoid the locations where screws are required. Please install the ground cable correctly and make sure it is fully secured.
Avoid the screen and place the bottom base on the table with the heatbed unit face down. Install the front bottom cover and lock in 10 screws. Install the rear bottom cover and lock in 6 screws.
Keep the printer frame upright and install the bottom base in place. Move the Heatbed bed backward and lock in 2 screws. Move the Heatbed forward and lock in 10 screws. Place the printer backward and install the Z motor cable to the cable box. Install the cable box to the bottom base. Slide the cable box along the slot to connect the USB cable and tighten the fixing screw. According to the text prompts and color labels, connect the X motor cable, Z motor cable, and the camera cable.